This is the bike tracking lamp. It comes in a little box with a charging cable with a pin on the end, a holder for the bike, and a plastic cover to hold the SIM card in place and seal the electronics. The back of the light has the SIM card holder. You can see it in here. It takes a micro SIM card, not a nano SIM card, and there is a charging pin here on the side where you insert the charging cable. It has a button where you switch the lights, so it looks like a real bike light, although the light is not very bright. But it has a couple of blinking modes. It looks like a real bike light. It's not too heavy. I taped over the number here because it's used for logging into the online tracking system. The box is simple and small, and it charges quickly, so I'm looking forward to trying it out.